Welcome to Globella Laboratories, your partner in cephalosporin manufacturing. Our expert team and advanced infrastructure support a wide range of beta-lactam antibiotics in various dosage forms. Globella Laboratories meets global standards with local and international certifications and approvals for various countries. Safety is our top priority. We ensure strict hygiene and safety protocols at every step. Spanning 86,110 square feet with 60,000 plus GMP approved space, our facility includes manufacturing, warehouse, quality control, and assurance departments. It also features areas for admin, conference and training, service and canteen, as well as for utilities such as steam generator, effluent treatment plant and more. Managed by over 30 skilled professionals and 60 plus workers, our facility is designed for future scalability and expansion. Handling of materials is carried out with systematic procedures as per international standards, ensuring safety, efficiency, and compliance at every step. The RM store and PM stores at Globella Laboratories are meticulously organized with designated areas for quarantine sampling, under-test stock, approved stock, dispensable stock, and rejected material. At Globella Laboratories, we have dedicated areas for each dosage form in our cephalosporin formulations. The process begins with the meticulous dispensing of raw materials. Each ingredient undergoes rigorous quality assurance checks before being precisely measured for cephalosporin production. We utilize advanced wet granulation techniques. Our sophisticated equipment, including lifting and positioning devices, rapid mixing granulators, and fluid bed dryers, ensures consistent and uniform granulation for optimal tablet formation. Dry granulation with roll compactors and table compression machines. High-speed compression machinery precisely compresses the mixture into tablets that undergo quality checks for size, weight, and active ingredient content. A thin film coating is applied to the tablets for enhanced stability and patient comfort. Advanced technology of blister packaging creates a tamper-evident blister pack, combining a durable PVC base with a high-barrier aluminum foil lid to safeguard tablets from moisture, light, and contamination for high product safety and life. Strip packaging using the Ganson's strip packing machine creates convenient and easy-to-open packaging that seals tablets in a foil strip, a compact and portable. We employ rotary bottle filling and capping machine for high speed, accurate and efficient filling and a secure and tamper-evident seal for product safety, transport and storage. Our state-of-the-art QC labs and QA systems, equipped with advanced instruments, ensure product safety and efficacy. Our QC lab utilizes advanced instruments like HPLC, UV visible spectrophotometers, FTIR's gas chromatography, incubators, autoclave, and more ensure the identity, purity, and consistency of every cephalosporin product. A comprehensive quality management system guarantees adherence to the highest quality standards across all production stages. A network of utilities keeps the plant running smoothly. From treating wastewater, ETP, to generating steam for sterilization, boiler, keeping water purified, to industrial gas plants and more. At Globella Laboratories, environmental responsibility is a top priority. We've implemented a zero wastewater discharge facility, ensuring all water used in our processes is treated and reused. We adhere to strict guidelines for waste management, partnering with specialized external agencies for different waste streams. At Globella Laboratories, we are dedicated to providing healthcare professionals and patients with trustworthy cephalosporin solutions. Our commitment to quality empowers patient well-being.